Meaning of evident.
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 Evident. The word evident means something that is clear, obvious, or easily seen or understood. When something is evident, there is no doubt about its existence or truth. It can refer to anything that is apparent, whether it be a physical characteristic, a behavior, or a fact. For example, if a person is sweating profusely on a hot day, it is evident that they are feeling overheated. In summary, evident refers to something that is unmistakably clear and notable, easily observable to the senses or the mind.